Here go another project of ours. This is our daughter unicorn go-kart. In the process, we getting everything started. We just showing y'all from the beginning of how it's looking so far. We starting out with our frame. Foundation come first, as y'all know.
Paint thinner the frame already.
And we gonna throw that mold on that mug. And it's gonna be flying just like all our other go-karts too. It's so cool and clean. I love it. We just have to get on, you know, finishing and stuff. But it's turning out to be unicorn princess just like she like it.
I love this helmet.
Huh?
I love
Oh,
this
the helmet do good.
That's the truth.
It show you while you looking right now. Like when you looking through it, it can show you.
Right now it's daytime.
Yeah.
As soon as I cut this on, it's all turned on.
Oh, that's why. That one better.
Yeah, that's what I kept on having the problem with seeing. But when I can find my spot, I'm Gucci. Well, see, if I had a streaker go-kart. It was a streaker from the beginning. Now you probably can see streaker right here. But it was an empty frame, sanded down, and painted it. And went with a unicorn theme. My daughter said she wanted a unicorn theme, so I came with the unicorn theme like this. Like, I put new tires, turf tires on the front. They 6-inch rims, 13-inch tires. But the back tires, I already had these tires, so I just decided to put these on here. But they 6-inch rims as well. I got another turf tire, and I got a V3. It's a 212 Predator motor still. It's a little small one, like what, 2.5, 3 horsepower, 79 cc. I painted a clutch. Make sure it matched with the go-kart. Brake line. I welded it and hooked it all up myself. It didn't originally come like this, but that's the way that I set it up. It still worked fine. This motor, it was already too low, so I kind of like made some brackets for it to sit on to keep it up because it was too low. So this kind of like the brackets that I made just to keep the chain and everything leveled off right. But other than that, this seat, man, I got this seat from Academy, and it's originally a boat seat. But I bolted it down to her go-kart and it fit real good. Little sensor and everything on it. I put this horn on it to make it look like a real unicorn. the little unicorn signs and things like that just to tweak it up, make it look nice. Reflector lights on the tires that light up when it's in motion. Other than that, y'all stay tuned for this unicorn video that you see my daughter ride on it. And make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and cut on them notifications. I can't ride them.